Good morning. Welcome to Muratec Maiben booth in IMTEX. My name is Rishi Kapoor, Associate Vice President at Maiben Engineering Technologies, Associate Company of Muratec, Japan. Muratec, we have been always in the forefront of offering a solution with automation. You can see everywhere we are shouting very loudly, Muratec means automation. So we are offering here 4 different machines and 4 different technology. Starting from the fastest machine with a 240 meters rapid automation with a twin gantry machine, the turn mill center, again with an automation, and very unique machine MWR 120 which we launched in India. That machine comes with a Y-axis and Murata chucking twin spindle concept with Y-axis, and that's a very unique machine with no parallel in the market. Muratec means automation. We are offering here showcasing 4 machines which are equipped with automation. As you see, everywhere we are shouting loudly, Muratec means automation. We offer solution with automation. We are offering here machine with twin gantry to the fastest gantry 240 meters per minute. The turn mill center again with a bar feeder and automation, and MWR 120 which is a very unique machine with no parallel in the market. Murata chucking concept with Y-axis turn mill center. These are the machine on display, and some of the machine we launched in India first time. So far we have been aiming automotive segment in India, and of course Murata is well known for the automation and offering to automotive companies in worldwide. So far 95% has been coming from automotive industry, but now we are shifting towards the other manufacturing industries like hydraulic, valves, medical, aerospace, where volumes are not so high, but you want to integrate the process. So that is the area we are also targeting now during this exhibition. As I said in the beginning, we are leveraging automation. Automation is, we are the trendsetter. Whenever automation comes, Murata stands the number 1. Everybody says Murata means automation. AI and IoT, we are now displaying also how we can collect the data, how it can, with the Silex, which is again a Muratec company. We are also working with Fanuc MT Link solution. So we are able to help the customer to collect the data. They can analyze the data and improve their productivity and reduce the downtime. That is what we are doing it, and this can also help in maintenance of the machine and getting a better MTBF and MTTR. Thank you.